Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the King English Podcast. This is the place where learning English feels easy and fun. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy to be here today.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone listening. It's great to join you again. Anna, you look extra cheerful today.
I really am. I'm excited because today's topic is useful, practical, and something every English learner will need.
That sounds promising. But before we get into it, let's remind everyone of something important.
Yes, if you enjoy this podcast, please subscribe to our channel. Give the episode a like and share it with your friends or family who are also learning English. It helps us a lot.
Exactly. Every share makes a difference. And now, Anna, let's dive into today's topic.
I'm ready. So, Tom, what's the big question we're talking about today?
Today, we're focusing on one of the most common questions in English. Tell me about yourself.
Oh, yes, that question. People ask it in so many situations.
They do. You hear it when you start a new class, when you go to a job interview, or even when you meet new people at a party.
And sometimes it feels difficult to answer because you don't know where to start.
Exactly. So in this episode, we're going to make it simple. We'll show you what you can say, step by step.
That sounds perfect. Who should start first?
I'll take the first turn. You can ask me.
All right, let's do it. Tom, tell me about yourself.
Okay, here we go. The best place to begin is with something easy. For example, I can start by saying my name. My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. After your name, the next simple thing you can share is where you're from.
Great idea. So, where are you from, Tom?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, Canada. That's wonderful. I'm from the United States.
That's cool. Two different countries, but both very interesting. The next thing people usually ask is about where you live.
Yes, people always want.
So far, we've talked about name, country, city, and type of home. Those are simple, clear details. What's next?
How about age? Some people don't mind sharing, and others prefer not to. But it's a common part of introductions.
True. I don't mind. I'm 28 years old.
That's a nice age. I'm 25 years old.
Wonderful. So we're close in age, which makes our conversations fun. After age, another important part is what you do, your work or studies.
Yes, people are always curious about that. So, Tom, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. And of course, I'm also an English teacher here on the King English Podcast. I really enjoy my job.
That's great. Teaching is such an important job. As for me, I'm a student.
That's interesting. What do you study, Anna?
I study art. I really love drawing and painting. It's creative and makes me happy.
That's amazing. So we have an art student and an English teacher together in one podcast. I think that makes a great combination.
I agree. Now let's keep going. After work or school, another natural thing to talk about is family.
Yes, family is always a good topic. Anna, do you have any brothers or sisters?
I do. I have one brother and his name is Mark. He's older than me. He's 29 years old.
Oh, so he's just a little older than me. That's nice. As for me, I have one sister. Her name is Sarah.
Sarah is a beautiful name. Is she older or younger than you?
She's younger than me. And like you, she's a student.
Really? What does she study?
She studies music, and she plays the piano.
That's wonderful. An art student and a music student. We can see a lot of creativity in your family.
That's true. My mother is also creative. She's a writer.
Wow, a writer. That's inspiring. And what about your father?
My father is a doctor.
A doctor and a writer. That's a very impressive family, Tom.
Thank you. Now, Anna, tell me about your parents.
My mother is also a teacher. She teaches little children, and I admire her patience.
That's a very important job.
Yes, but introductions can go further. Another way to keep a conversation interesting is to talk about things you like, your favorites.
That's a good idea. Let's start with food. Tom, what's your favorite food?
That's a tough question because I love so many foods. But if I must choose, I'll say pizza, especially vegetable pizza with tomatoes, peppers, and onions.
That sounds both tasty and healthy. I also love pizza, but my number one favorite food is pasta.
Pasta is another excellent choice. Both are classic and delicious.
Exactly. Okay, let's try another favorite. What's your favorite color, Tom?
My favorite color is blue, like the sky. It feels calm and peaceful.
That's beautiful. My favorite color is green, like the trees and grass. I love the color of nature.
Blue and green, they go perfectly together.
They really do. And favorite animals? That's another easy one.
For me, it's definitely dogs. Because of Max, of course. Dogs are loyal and always cheerful.
And for me, it's cats. I love how elegant and independent they are.
That's a perfect match for us. We're showing two sides, dog lovers and cat lovers.
Exactly. Now that we've shared favorites, the next step is hobbies. That's always an exciting part of self-introductions.
True, but let's pause here, because we've already covered a lot. Names, where we're from, our homes, family, pets, and favorites. That's a strong foundation for introducing yourself.
Yes, this is a perfect point to stop for now. In the next part, we'll continue with hobbies, dislikes, and even some tips for making your self-introduction sound natural in different situations.
That sounds great. Stay with us, everyone. We'll continue in the next section. Welcome back to the King English podcast. In the first section, we talked about the basics of introducing yourself in English. We covered name, country, home, family, pets, and favorite things.
Yes, that was a lot of fun. And now, we're ready to move forward. In this section, we'll talk about hobbies, dislikes, and even how to adjust your introduction depending on the situation.
That's right. So let's
That's so cool. Music is a great hobby because it connects people. Do you play the guitar often?
not as often as I'd like, but when I have time, I practice. I also enjoy playing soccer. I usually play on the weekends with friends.
That's a good way to stay active and have fun at the same time.
Exactly. And another thing I enjoy is watching movies, especially comedies and animated films. They make me laugh and help me relax.
I can relate to that. I also enjoy watching movies. My favorite kind is adventure films because they take me to new places and exciting stories.
That's great. So now our listeners can see different ways to talk about hobbies. You can mention something creative, like painting. You can talk about sports, like soccer. Or you can share about entertainment, like music and movies.
Yes, and when you add hobbies to your introduction, you make yourself more interesting. People feel like they know you better.
Exactly. Now, let's switch to dislikes. Sharing dislikes can also be fun, but it's important to keep it light.
Right. You don't want to sound too negative when you're introducing yourself. But a little dislike can make the conversation more real.
So let's try it. Anna, what's something you don't like?
Well, I don't like very spicy food. Even a small amount of spice makes my mouth burn.
That's interesting. A lot of people love spicy food, but for you, it's too much.
Exactly. And what about you, Tom?
For me, I don't like olives. The taste is just too strong for me.
That's funny. I actually enjoy olives, but I know many people don't.
Yes, dislikes are very personal. Another thing I don't like is waiting in long lines.
Oh, I agree with you on that one. Waiting too long can be frustrating.
And one more thing, I don't enjoy waking up very early. I'm not a morning person.
Same here. I'd rather stay up late and sleep a little longer in the morning.
So, listeners, when you talk about dislikes, you don't need to be too serious. Keep it simple, like food you don't enjoy or little things in daily life.
That's good advice. And now we've covered hobbies and dislikes. The next step is learning how to shape your introduction for.
In a class, it's nice to share your name, where you're from, and what you're studying. For example, hello, my name is Anna. I'm from the United States and I'm studying art. I really enjoy painting and reading adventure books. I'm excited to learn with all of you.
That's perfect. It shows who you are and makes you sound friendly.
And finally, let's think about a job interview. That's probably the most formal situation for tell me about yourself.
Yes, and a lot of learners feel nervous about this. But the key is to focus on your work and skills.
For example, I could say, my name is Tom and I'm from Canada. I'm 28 years old. I have 5 years of experience teaching English, and I enjoy helping students improve their confidence. In my free time, I also enjoy playing soccer, which teaches me teamwork.
That's a very professional answer. It shows your skills and also your personality.
Exactly. So the big lesson here is choose what details to share depending on the situation. You don't need to say everything every time.
That's right. You can keep it short for casual situations, add a little more for school, and be more professional for job interviews.
And the best way to get better at this is practice.
Yes, practice at home. Stand in front of a mirror or record yourself on your phone. Practice saying your introductions slowly and clearly.
The more you practice, the more natural it feels. And soon, you'll be able to introduce yourself in English with confidence.
Exactly. And don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes small mistakes. The important thing is to keep going.
That's great advice. Anna, should we give our listeners a short example conversation to bring all of this together?
Yes, let's do it. I'll play the role of a new student in a class, and you can play another student meeting me.
Perfect. Ready?
Ready?
Hi there. My name is Tom. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. And you?
I'm from Canada. Do you live in a big city or a small town?
I live in a big city, but my apartment is small and cozy. How about you?
I live in a small house